Hey, good morning everyone. Today, man, what a week we have ahead for you. The next 5 or 6 days are going to be amazing. We have a journey to a place called Sims Chapel in South Carolina, and then we are also going to a place called Mile High Swinging Bridge, and I believe it's in North Carolina. So follow along for the journey. It's going to be exciting. It's going to be fun. We're going to be stopping in Pigeon Forge and Gatlinburg along the way to see some of the sights there, some of the oddities down there, cool things to see. First, today, Sunday morning, we have church, and then after church we'll be headed to the mountain states. Hey, welcome back. We are finished at church and just left there a little bit ago. Went home, packed my clothes, packed my bags in the car, and we are getting ready to roll. If you're just following along, my name's Jason. I got Jack back there in the back with me. Jack, see him? That's Jack right there. And we are on a journey to head to South Carolina and Tennessee, North Carolina, just to see some different sites out there. We're going to check out a place called the Pretty Place, Sims Chapel, in near Asheville, South Carolina, and then check out the Smoky Mountains. Also check out a place in North Carolina called the Mile High Suspension Bridge. So we'll see where it leads us. We'll go from there, but enjoy the journey, and we got about a 6-hour drive ahead. We're leaving from Indiana to Tennessee, so enjoy the journey. What a beautiful day for a drive. Thank you all for joining me on this. Thank you all for taking the time out of your day to watch this and check this video out as we journey down here to not only Pigeon Forge and Gatlinburg, but to Pretty Place Chapel. And if you haven't been there, it's a place that I've wanted to go to for a long time. I've seen it on TikTok, I've seen it on Instagram, and just the views from there, especially the sunrises from there, look to be amazing. So I'm excited to get to go see this place. It may be even once in a lifetime. It's kind of a hard place to get to. The nearest hotel, I think, is an hour and 10 minutes away from it. It is out of the way to get there for sunrise. I think we're going to have to get up at like 3:30 or 4 o'clock in the morning to catch the sunrise from there. So it's going to be a journey. It's going to be beautiful. But before that, we have to get to Tennessee. So we're headed to Pigeon Forge. We have a hotel reservation in Pigeon Forge for tonight. For this journey, get to know me. I'll share a little bit about me as we travel here, and you can get to know me, you can get to know about Jack, and I hope you hang around and give me a like, a subscribe. This is something new that I feel like has been put on my heart to share with you, to share my journeys, to share my trips, not only with my family, but with the world as well. So sit back, enjoy, get to know me. As I said, my name is Jason, and I live in Indiana. I am a military veteran. I did 4 years in the military, and I have been a firefighter, police officer. I've done several different things throughout my career. As of 3 days after my birthday, my 50th birthday, 2023, in July of 2023, I was diagnosed with stage 4 colon cancer. And what a journey, what a trip it has been. I went through chemotherapy, I've been through radiation, and some of the hardest times of my life. And I'm thankful for my faith and my relationship with Christ to get me through those dark nights of when I didn't think that I could make it on my own. And I know that to this day, I know that I couldn't have made it on my own. I know that He was there with me to give me the strength and the energy just to make it through those dark, painful nights of side effects from chemotherapy and all the other drugs that they had me on. I was scheduled to have surgery. I met with my surgeon about 3 weeks ago, and after looking at the latest CTs and the radiation results and everything like that, they didn't want to do surgery, and I'm absolutely thankful for that. They wanted to hold off on surgery for 10 to 12 weeks because everything was still shrinking. So I'm thankful for that, and I'm thankful for just what God is doing in my healing process. So come along with me as we go on this journey to live a life of healing, live a life of Christ, and just see where He leads us and takes us. We are pulling up in Gatlinburg, actually. We're getting about 5 or 10 minutes from the hotel here. Tomorrow we're going to go over to Gatlinburg for a little bit. I have some video editing in the morning. Get some breakfast. Gatlinburg. At some point today, get some lunch. Just see the sights. So check out day 2's video. Day 3 will be not sure where we'll be yet, but come back. I plan on doing the sunrise or sunset at Foothills Parkway. The sunrise and the sunset there. So make sure you're following along with us and check out those videos as they will be coming over the next couple of weeks.
Use the left 2 lanes to stay to the left. Then turn left on Parkway. Turn left. Then use the left lane to make a U-turn on Parkway. Use the left lane to make a U-turn on Parkway. In 400 feet, use the right lane to turn right. Then stay to the right.
It was really hard to get into this hotel at first. It's set off the main strip behind some restaurants, and so honestly, I missed it. I missed a turn 3 times to try to get into it, and I think this time we ended up going through a parking lot at Wendy's.
Then turn left on Embark Street. Left on Embark Street. Then turn left. Arrived. Destination is on your right. You've arrived at your destination. You've arrived arrived at your destination.
All right, Jack and I made it to our hotel, and I know that it looks like it's daylight out, but that's actually light coming in from the outside. You can see Jack is inspecting the place here, and we're getting ready to go to bed. I don't know about you all, but it's been a long day. We drove several hours today, and I'm going to hit the hay, and I'll see you guys in the morning. Night, y'all.